Walk the way of freedom, and do not be in bondage to anything. Do not let a habit enslave you, hold you in its grip. Be free. Do not be in bondage to a way of thinking. Have an open mind, ready to learn and accept new truths as I reveal them to you through my word. Do not be in bondage to possessions. Love not the things of the earth, for they are but a loan to you, a sacred trust from me. Be not in bondage to the opinions of others, but seek to please me in all things. Do not be in bondage to a particular place, particular surroundings, for I may call you to leave and go somewhere else. Do not be in bondage to your children's love, so that you seek to cling to them when you should let them go, to live their own lives, make their own decisions. For they are entrusted to you, that you may bring them up to know me, but not stifle their individuality with your love. So stand free from all earthly ties. Be bound only in love to me. So shall you be free from heartbreak. For trusting in me you will find peace and joy and tranquility in whatever place or circumstance I lead you, and nothing shall crush you or discourage you, but you shall dwell secure in my love.